Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is the weekly market forecast for the week of September 8, 2020. First of all, I hope that everyone have a good long night weekend. If you have been following me on my YouTube channel, every day in our live trading room, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price direction for my members to make some extra daily income, and give out a long-term stock price direction for swing trading to make a bigger profit potential. Last week, the market broke out the all-time high and continued for the uptrend about 8 days, and then people start taking profits on the last 2 days. So last week, the U.S. purchasing manufacturing jumped in August, and the unemployment rate fell to 8.4%, which is a little bit good news for the market on the way of recovery. So the market will do whatever it wants to do. As the trader, we only focus on the chart. The price on the chart will tell you everything. As stock navigators, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price chart by using modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology, so that you can buy with the high probability of winning and low risk trade. This is the only technical skill that you should learn before you start buying any stock, and you can manage your own financial future like 401k or IRA account. But we understand it's hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor you every week until you are successful, and we will guide you every day in our live trading room so that you can follow along and see how the price action in real time, so that you can make some extra daily income and manage your own stock portfolio. So now let's take a look at the chart to see what happened last week. So you can see that last week the market is going up, and then after they break the all-time high on September 19, 2020, so the market is pushed it back up after they had a problem to get out of the all-time high. So they stuck there for a week and finally be able to break out. So then they should back up right into the resistance area that we have been identified for a long time ahead of the time. So when the market hit here, and then we already warning you to don't try to chase the market last week, and then people took the profit in the Thursday and Friday, they pulled it down. But the last minute on Friday, they come it down, but the buyer, they step back in, they put it back up on the midterm moving average. So technically the trend is still up, and then this is the resistance area now become a support area. So it means that the market still have chance to move higher in the future here. So let's see how the market open on Monday. If they gave up, and the market will continue to put it in the upside. So if you look at the E-mini SB 500 future, so the last 2 days the market is closed, but the momentum is still up. So they since they dropped on Friday, the buyer step back in, and on Sunday market open, and then they still put it back up, and they still put it back up, so they hold up its level. So we want to see that when they hit to the 34.97, they'll be able to hold up here. So they will stop them here, or they will continue to put it up high and retest the all-time high again. And the Dow, after they hit to the all-time high, they couldn't punch through it. They get stuck here, and then they pull back down. But they have a strong support at this level. So if they be able to put it back up above the moving average, the trend is to continue to upside. And then we have to monitor to see where they're going to go on Tuesday. And NQ, they dropped down very hard. They lit all the big cap technology stock. They slammed them hard for the last 2 days, but technically they still hold up very well about the upper support line here. So they come out, the buyer still put it back up, they still hold up about the 50-day moving average. So they are still trying to find a way to put it back up, and we'll monitor in next week to see where they're heading to. So we will let you know. And the Russell 2000, they are still fall behind. They couldn't get into the all-time high here, so they go sideways, but they still hold up very well in the last 2 days. So let's see, by tomorrow they'll be able to get up and continue to the upside. Gold, it still have trouble to break out the Dow trend line. It still goes sideways right now, and let's see where they heading to here. They have a strong support at this level. If they can break this level, they will continue to go higher. If not, they will go sideways before they can get out of the downtrend line there. The oil is losing momentum during the weekend. As you can see here, they push it back down, and they have a strong support at this level here. So let's see, they can hold up here and then rebound and find a way to put up in the upside. Bond is after the drop to this level here, the last couple of days, they go sideways. So looks like they try to bounce back up a little bit, but the trend here is still in the downside. Okay, and the euro is also losing momentum in the upside. They couldn't go higher, so if they break below the support here, they can go a little bit further to retest the 50-day moving average there. Okay, the Bitcoin is try to stabilize at this level. They found a support here, so if they're able to get out this one here, they will get up to this level again. Okay, and if you look at a couple of charts last week, and you can see that a lot of technology stock at hit high, like Apple, they come back down, but they found a support. So the last minute, people buy back in, and Google, okay, let me see, okay, Google after they drop, and then they also found a support to buy it back up. AMZ and Amazon also found a support, and then they run it back up again. And let me see here, Adobe, okay, okay, so this one also found a support to put it back up. And at Microsoft, so you see all the big cap and brand name stock, okay, they drop hard for the last 2 days. People taking profit, but the buyer step back in after they find the support at the buy zone. And this week we will focus on a lot of financial stock and bank stock, like Bank of America. As you can see that they stabilize, and then now they try to find a way to put it back up. Let's see, they can carry the momentum for the next week here. And JP Morgan, it also try to make it high low for the upside also. And maybe that the Deutsche Bank also stabilize in the triangle formation here, and they try to find a way to put it back up. And a lot of stuff on the transportation, they still doing very well. As you can see here, they continue to put it upside, and seem like the institution, they still hold them up very well, even though the market dropped the last couple of days, but they put down, but buyers step back in again. And a lot of stuff from retail sector, they try to buy back up also. So you know, they hold up very well, like Nike, right? LTA, and those stocks are very strong stock. They hit here, they get a resistance, they pull back, but they will find some more momentum. And the Hobby stock, okay, this is small stock, but they still continue to put in the upside. And one thing here we see is a lot of stuff from the airline. They try to buy back up from the bottom. After they come back down, they continue to push up. If they can keep this momentum, and with some volume coming in, they can push it back up and find a way to go higher in the future here. Okay, so this is all I have for you this week. So if you like what I'm doing here, give me a thumb up, and please sign up with our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will let you know, so that you know where the market heading to. And if you would like to learn how to trade, how to make some extra daily income, as well as for the swing trade to make a bigger profit potential, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. We'll see you on next week.